Get to know Botanical Vodka. When somebody mentions botanicals, it brings up images of plants mixed in a jar or something like that. Botanical vodka has been gaining a lot of popularity lately with bartenders. You may have seen it around or heard people talking about it, but what are they exactly? We're going to find out together right now because this is one smooth ride. What is Botanical Vodka? Botanical vodka is made from 100% natural ingredients, making it perfect for those who want a drink that's refreshing and good for their health. It doesn't contain any artificial flavors or sweeteners. It's non-GMO and uses organic grains too. For those who are health conscious, there aren't any carbs in this delicious drink, so you can enjoy your favorite cocktail guilt-free. How is Botanical Vodka made? Botanical vodka is skillfully crafted from small batches in copper kettles using the owner's secret family recipe. After distillation, it has a more refined taste despite containing only 30% compared to conventional processes, less alcohol by volume. Each batch goes through an innovative and personal testing process before being bottled by you. What's the best way to drink Botanical Vodka? The best way to enjoy the smooth taste of Botanical Vodka is by combining it with soda. Pour half an ounce over a wine glass filled with ice, and then finish off your cocktail with sparkling water garnished by fragrant herbs or fresh fruits. So those are some facts you need to know about Botanical Vodka. Who's excited to try one? If you do, let us know in the comments below. Subscribe to Advanced Mixology for more facts and tips.